Welcome to AMC Waste Services, your reliable partner for dumpster rental in Chapin, South Carolina. Whether decluttering your garage, managing a construction site, or organizing a significant community event, our range of dumpster sizes and flexible rental terms are designed to meet your needs. At AMC Waste Services, we pride ourselves on making your dumpster rental experience as smooth and stress-free as possible. Our knowledgeable team is here to help you choose the perfect dumpster, schedule your delivery and pickup, and answer any questions. We understand that every project is unique. That's why we offer personalized service tailored to your timeline and budget. With AMC Waste Services, you get more than just a dumpster, you get a partner who is committed to making your project a success. With our easy online booking system, you can schedule your dumpster rental in Chapin, South Carolina, in just a few clicks. Plus, our prompt delivery and pickup ensure your project stays on track. Ready to tackle your next project with ease? Visit our website at www.amcwaste.com dumpster rental Chapin SC, or call us today at 803-408-9990. We are reliable, affordable, and always ready to serve you. Choose AMC Waste Services for your next dumpster rental in Chapin, South Carolina.